Wow, notice how much darker this is when I do it at night. I did my grades in the morning, so I waited to do my videos till later. But anyways, now we're going to do variables on both sides. I don't know why people can solve when variables are on one side, but as soon as you put it on both, people really have trouble. The first step is to simplify each side of the equation. By the way, this is part one. There'll be two parts at least. So, can I simplify? Well, sure. 5x plus 1x is 6x. Then this side I cannot simplify. You cannot combine a variable term to a non-variable term. Step 2. You want to get the variables to one side. And that will involve adding or subtracting. So, I want to get rid of one of the variable terms. That's another way of saying it. But I'm going to subtract 3x, because 3x minus 3x is 0, but I can only do that if I also do it to this side. So that would be 3x plus 10 equals 13. Then I want to get the constant to the other side. And that will also involve adding or subtracting. So, I want to get the 3x totally by itself. Now, we've actually done this before, so I go minus 10. So I'd have 3x equals 13 minus 10 is 3. Now I want to get a 1 times the variable. And that will involve multiplying or dividing. So I got 3x, I'm to divide by 3. Then the last step you do inside your head, check. So 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 more because x is 1, that's 6, plus 10 is 16. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 13 is 16. 16 does equal 16, so that is the right answer. Woohoo! Let's try another one. 4x plus 8 equals 8x plus 4. So, simplify, that's step 1. Then, I want to get the, okay, so go ahead, I'm going to subtract 4x to get the x's all on one side. Now I want to do an operation to get the 4x by itself, so I'm going to subtract 4. So 4 equals 4x. Next step, get a 1x, so I'm going to divide by 4, so x equals 1. Wow, 1 again. So 4 plus 8 is 12, 8 plus 4 is 12. Let's try another one. Let's do 2x plus 4 minus x equals 5x plus 6. Okay, whoops. So first I want to simplify. This side is simplified, so I'm going to leave it alone. Then I'm going to distribute the 2 to get rid of the parentheses. Now simplify, I can combine the x terms. So 2x minus x is x. Now I want to get the x's to one side, so I'm going to subtract x. So 8 equals 4x plus 6. Then I want to get the 4x by itself, so I'm going to subtract 6. So 2 equals 4x. I want a 1x. I'm going to divide by 4. So x equals a half. Woohoo. Try 2 for me. Do 10x plus 20 equals 6x plus 10. And do 4x plus 3 equals x plus 8. So do those 2 and then turn me back on. Okay, so the first one, I'm going to subtract 6x. So that'd be 4x plus 20 equals 0 plus 10 is 10. Then I'm going to subtract the 20 to get the 4x by itself. So 4x equals negative 10. Divide by 4, x equals negative 5 halves. Now this one, distribute the 4. 4x plus 12 equals x plus x is 2x. Subtract 2x. So 2x plus 12 equals 8. Then I'm going to subtract 12. 2x equals negative 4. Divide by 2. X equals negative 2. Now, one last problem. Let's have 5x minus 2 minus x equals 4x plus 1. Okay. Now, sometimes when you're solving, they set up the equation to either nothing works or everything works. So let's look at this one. I'm going to distribute the 5, distribute the 4. So 5x minus x is 4x. Now I want to get all the x's to one side, so I subtract the 4x. Holy cheese in a bucket. This drops out. 0 minus 10 is negative 10. But this also drops out. 0 plus 4 is 4. So if the variable drops out on both sides, you have to ask yourself, is this true or false? Well, this is false, so it's no solutions. No matter what I put in, it will not work up here where the original problem was set up. Now, there's going to be a part 2 to finish this up. So look for the second video.